How to check if someone is spying on your iPhone. Let's get started. If you suspect someone is spying on your iPhone, there are several signs and steps to check for unusual activity. First, monitor your battery usage. Spyware often drains the battery faster than usual, so check settings, battery to see if any app is consuming excessive power. Also, look for any unexpected data spikes in settings, cellular, as spying apps can use mobile data to transmit information. If you notice unfamiliar or suspicious apps in settings, general, iPhone storage, they could be spyware. Unusual lag, crashes, or odd behavior could also signal spyware running in the background. Additionally, if your iPhone has been jailbroken, you may see apps like Cydia, which are typical of jailbroken devices. Keep an eye out for strange activity in your accounts, such as unfamiliar logins or changes in settings. Privacy. Background noise during calls or receiving odd text messages with strange codes could also be signs of someone spying. Review app permissions and settings. Privacy to ensure no apps have excessive access to your camera, microphone, or location. Using anti-spyware apps like Malwarebytes or Lookout can help scan for hidden threats. If you're still unsure, performing a factory reset in Settings, General, Reset, erase all content and settings will remove any potential spyware, but be sure to back up your data first. Lastly, if you're still concerned, contacting Apple support can help secure your device and further investigate the issue. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.